Okay, now let's have a look at some samples, guys. Yeah. Okay, so here you can just have a look at the sentence here while I am covering that one, and you can just pause the video, okay, and take your time and have your notebook and just write your answers, okay, and then you can just continue to watch the video again and to see your answers, right? Okay. First of all, when you just see those kinds of examples, you should be really careful about what is your what is your result, what is your action, and what is your if clause, what is your main clause. And I mean, I just put some simple exercises. I mean, well, okay, let's have a look at it. So for example, if parents blah blah much money, they childcare. So here, guys, the if part here, as you can see, your verb is here, and also you should be careful about your subject. I mean, your subject is plural, as you can see. So that's why you should apply the rules of plural subject verb formation of the simple present tense. So that is, if parents don't earn much money. And here, they, it says not be able to. As you can see in the main clause, we are using will feature. So that's why I say won't be able to afford childcare. Okay? Another sample. If the father at home for 2 months, as you can see in the if part, your subject is the father. Is it plural or singular? Yeah, it is singular, right? So that's why you should apply the positive sentence formation of the simple present tense. And then here, this is your main clause, so you will use will feature here, right? Okay, so the answer is that. If the father stays at home for 2 months, they will get help from the government, right? Okay, another sample. As you can see, if is used in the middle of the sentence. So that's why with if clause, I'm using simple present tense, and my subject here is the birth rate. So is it singular or plural? Yeah. Okay. So here as well, in the main clause, as you can see, you are using will feature. So something like this. Germany will have a serious problem if the birth rate does not go up. Okay, so be careful about simple present tense. Another sample. What if your next exam? As you can see, this is subject. Sorry, this is question sentence, right? So that's why you should be careful about the rules of questions. And as you can see in the if part, we have negative form, and it's something like this. What will you do if you don't pass your next exam? So don't pass is a simple present negative sentence, and in the main clause I used a question form, as you can see. Okay, so you put will and then your subject and then your verb one, right? Okay, so the other sentence. As you can see, if is used in the middle of the sentence, so that's why I have to be careful about my subject, the children. As you can see, this is plural, and so that's why you're using just go. And then in the main clause, well, might see, right? Okay, be careful about the verb after modals and will feature, guys, okay? So you're using always verb 1. Be careful about that. Okay, and the last example. As you can see, we start with if, and your subject here is people all around the world. And I have to use simple present tense here. And then, in the main sentence, my subject is coronavirus disease. And it's like, well, we have adverb here, and then I have to use will feature, okay? So your answer is like that. Okay? Stay home and healthy. Okay, guys. So, I added also some songs for our listening exercise. Okay? And actually, you know, okay, there are two songs, okay? So it is for you to just listen to that song, just go to those links and, well, do the activities from the lyrics training. And I will share the, we will share the PowerPoint presentation as well in order for you to go to the links easily. And as a last remark, I say that, and if you're still breathing, you're the lucky ones, guys. And this is, well, extra, so this is one of my favorite songs, and you can just go to that song, and, well, it's a little bit gloomy, but it's okay. So if you want, you just listen it, okay? So take care and study hard, and see you soon.